Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, your go-to source for travel inspiration and cultural exploration. Today, we're taking you on an exhilarating journey to the heart of Brazil as we dive into the colorful, energetic, hand-enchanting world of Carnival in Rio de Janeiro. 1. Rio's Carnival History. To truly appreciate the magic of Carnival in Rio de Janeiro, we first need to understand its rich history. The roots of this celebration can be traced back to the Portuguese settlers who brought their pre-Lenten traditions to Brazil. Over the centuries, this blend of European, African, and indigenous cultures evolved into the vibrant carnival we know today. 2. The Carnival Experience. Carnival in Rio is all about embracing life, music, and dance. It's an explosion of color, sound, and energy that takes over the city every year. But where do you start? Well, let's break it down for you. 3. Preparations and costumes. The festivities begin months in advance, with countless hours dedicated to preparing the dazzling costumes, extravagant floats, and catchy samba songs. Samba Schools, the heart and soul of the carnival, work tirelessly on their elaborate parade entries. 4. Samba Schools. These Samba Schools, like the world-famous Beija-Flor and Mangueira, are the backbone of Rio's carnival. They are more than just dance groups. They're a way of life for many in Rio's communities. The competition between schools is fierce, and they strive to outdo each other every year with their performances. 5. Samba Parades. The highlight of Carnival is the Samba Parades, which take place in the Sambadrome, a massive stadium designed for this very purpose. The parade is a dazzling display of music, dance, and storytelling, with each Samba school telling a unique and captivating story through their floats and costumes. 6. Carnival Blocos. If you're looking for a more spontaneous and immersive experience, don't miss the Blocos. These are street parties where locals and visitors come together to dance, sing, and have a blast. The music, the people, and the energy in the air are infectious. 7. The Samba Dance. The heart of Carnival lies in the Samba Dance, and it's your chance to join in the fun. Samba is a lively and sensual dance, but don't worry if you're not a professional dancer. There are plenty of dance schools and workshops where you can learn the basics and join the crowd on the streets. 8. The music of Carnival. Carnival wouldn't be the same without its iconic music. Samba music, with its pulsating rhythms and joyful melodies, fills the air during the entire festival. You'll find live samba bands performing everywhere, adding to the lively atmosphere. 9. Sampling Brazilian cuisine. No trip to Rio would be complete without experiencing the exquisite flavors of Brazilian cuisine. Whether you're trying feijoada, a hearty black bean stew, or enjoying a refreshing caipirinha, the food in Rio is a treat for the taste buds. 10. Safety and etiquette. Before you dive into the festivities, it's essential to know some important safety tips and cultural etiquette. While Carnival is all about fun, it's also essential to stay vigilant and keep your belongings secure in crowded areas. Be respectful of local customs and traditions, and always ask for permission before taking photos. 11. Best time to visit. Carnival in Rio de Janeiro usually takes place in February or March, so plan your visit accordingly. However, be aware that prices for accommodation and flights can be higher during this period, so book well in advance. 12. Accommodation options. When it comes to accommodations, Rio offers a wide range of options. You can choose to stay in upscale beachfront hotels or opt for more budget-friendly hostels. Just make sure to book your accommodation early, especially during Carnival. 13. Navigating the city. Getting around Rio is relatively straightforward. The city has a well-developed public transportation system, including buses and the metro. Taxis and ride-sharing services are also readily available. However, during Carnival, traffic can be intense, so plan your routes accordingly. 14. Beyond Carnival. While Carnival is undoubtedly the main attraction, Rio de Janeiro has so much more to offer. Don't forget to explore the city's stunning natural beauty, from the iconic Christ, the Redeemer statue to the breathtaking Sugarloaf Mountain. Carnival in Rio de Janeiro is a celebration like no other. It's a chance to immerse yourself in Brazil's vibrant culture, dance to the rhythm of samba, and create unforgettable memories. From the dazzling parades to the lively street parties, Rio's Carnival is a bucket list experience that will leave you breathless and craving for more. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of Carnival, and get ready to samba your way into the heart of Rio de Janeiro. Obrigado for joining us on this incredible journey. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time!